If you want to factory reset your Google Pixel Watch 3 without the screen password, for example, you just forgot your screen password, then you will have to simply click and hold this crown control button to get the power off menu. Now you have to click to restart, and when the screen goes black, we have to grab our watch like that, and when the Google logo appears, we have to quickly double tap on the left bottom corner, left upper corner and left right bottom corner. So wait for the Google logo. It will appear after a few moments. There we go. And now quickly double tap. And now we are in this fast boot mode, so we have to click on this side button. Now we have to scroll, but we have to scroll with this side button for sure. And when you are in the recovery mode, click on this crown control button. In the next screen, instead of the Google logo, we will get no comment screen. And I'm going to show you how you can actually open the recovery mode, because there's like screen combination and the crown button combination. So now click and hold the crown button and scroll up. If it doesn't work, just try to do this one more time. And as you can see, here we are. Now you will have to swipe up and down to move. And we have to select this, wipe data factory reset. So click on the crown control button, scroll and select factory data reset. Now just wait. And as you can see, it is finished. Then you will have to select the scroll button to reboot system now. And right now your watch will be turned on with the first setup screen, and you will be able to actually set up your device one more time with any device without this screen lock. And that will be all for this video. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.